Okay, what is it?
Malachi's box.
Malachi's box.
Malachi's box.
You're right. It is for Malachi.
Come on. Yep, you can open it. 1 second. I just got one more tape. You trying to help? Okay, open it up.
Oh.
A big.
Can you rip it? Whoa. You want Dad to help? Wow! Wow!
Oh, Malachi, what'd you get? What is it?
Play and float boat. And then you got a boat alphabet book.
Oh, perfect.
Wow, from Grandma and Grandpa. Say thank you.
Get good.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that one boat. Do you want to play with your boat? I think you're going to go take a bath. Maybe you need to take it in the tub with you right
I
now.
think we do. Yeah, should we get her open?
Let's do it.